Here we go. Have so much fun. I will see you in a little bit. Yes. I like that.
That's crazy. There's literally no brakes anywhere along the ride. He's literally going to control everything.
Feels old. Feel like wicked and back and forth.
Like I said, we need a fast ride. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Full throttle. Oh my God. We gotta drop. Full speed on the drop.
Speed this thing up. Speed it up. Speed it up. So smooth. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a lot slower than that. That was pretty smooth. Oh, look at the view of the ocean. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. All right, drop number 2. Let's go.
Faster, faster.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm not mad that we're going slow right now. It gives you some time to catch your breath, you know, before the next drop comes along. You know, I don't like it. Uh-oh, full throttle. Yeah, full throttle, yeah. No brakes, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes. This is a absolutely lengthy ride. And we'll get there when we get there, ride. There we go, there we go. Goes a big one. Oh wait, never mind, that's it.